Knowing our numbers, part 2. Comparing numbers. How to compare the numbers? We have to check whether it is greater than, or whether it is less than, or whether it is greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or equal to, or not equal to. So we have to learn how to compare the real numbers. Greater than symbol is used to indicate that one number is larger than another. Let's take A and B. A is greater than B. How to write A is greater than B means A is larger than B. So for the less than symbol, this is less than symbol. It's indicate that one number is smaller than another. 3 and 5. For this, 3 is less than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. I will tell you a memorable way to remember how to use the greater than and less than symbols in mathematical comparisons. Just imagine the greater than and less than symbols as a crocodile's mouth. The mouth is always open towards its larger side, larger number, because a crocodile wants to eat a bigger number, just like it would prefer a larger meal. The crocodile's mouth is wide open towards its larger number, and the small number is on the other side. Let's check how it works. Let's take two numbers 7 and 3, which is the bigger number in this. From this, the 7 is bigger number, right? So our crocodile will open its mouth to the bigger number because the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number. So it will open its mouth to the bigger number side. 7 greater than 3. The mouth open towards its 7 because 7 is greater than 3. So let's take two number 2 and 4. So which is greater from these numbers? It's a 4 is greater than 2, right? So our crocodile will open its mouth to the bigger number. So how to use our symbol? So we have our symbol comes like this. So which is this symbol? Less than symbol. 2 is less than 4. Here 7 greater than 3, 2 less than 4. When comparing two digits, we have to follow the same general principles used to compare any other numbers. But we have to pay the special attention to tens and ones places. First we have to compare the check the position of the each digits. Here it's ones position, it's a tens position. So here also ones and tens. So first we have to start our comparison from left. Here it is at the first, it is the tens place number. We have to check. So let's compare two numbers 2 and 3, because the tens place has more values than the ones place. So the number with the larger tens digit will always be great. So we have to check, compare two numbers 2 and 3, which is greater. 3 is greater, right? So this number start from 3. 36 is bigger number than 24.
If tens place contains same digit, we have to compare ones place number.
The ones place. Okay, but here it is different, not same. So here is 36 is the bigger number. So how to write the symbol, how to draw the symbol here? Because I already told you that our crocodile will eat only the bigger number. Here we know 36 is the bigger number. So crocodile's mouth will open like this. So how to say this one? Because this is greater symbol, this is less than symbol. Greater than symbol, less than symbol. So this is less than 24, less than 36. 24 less than 36. If the tens place is the same, just write the two number 42 and 47. Here it's this is ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Tens place numbers just check because both are 4, right? Because it's equal, right? So we have to check the ones place number. We have to compare the ones place number because here it's 2 and 7, which is greater. 7 is great, so we have to, which is the bigger number. This is the bigger number from here, from these two numbers. So how to use the symbol here? Because here it's our crocodile will eat only the bigger number, so bigger things, so it will come like this, 42 less than 47. Let's see some example. First one is 34 and 58. So here first we have to check the position of each digits. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. So first we have to check from its left, compare the numbers. It's from left side. So first we have to check the tens place numbers, compare the tens place numbers 3 and 5. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. So 50 is it's the bigger number. So how to write simple here? How to draw the symbol here? It will come like this. 34 less than 58. Another number 68 and 61. So first we have to check the position of each digits. Ones, tens, ones, tens. So first we have to check its tens digit. Both are 6. So we have to move to its ones place number 8 and 1. Which is greater? 8 is greater. So 68 is bigger number. So we have to our crocodile's mouth will come open like this. Another number 24 and 16. Again we have to check the place. Ones, tens. Here also ones, tens. So first we have to check the tens place number. Which is bigger? 2 is bigger, right? So our crocodile's mouth will open like this. Let's see some 3 digits number. How to check the how to compare the 3 digits numbers. Same like 2 digits number, how to check the position of the each digits. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here also ones, tens and hundreds. We already told we have to comparison will start from its left. So it's first we have to compare the numbers on the hundredth place positions number 3 and 2. Which is bigger number? 3 is bigger. So this is the bigger number. So how we have to write our symbol like this. So we have to put greater than symbol here. 386 greater than 254. Let's see another number 165. This is ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. Here first we have to check first we have to compare the numbers on the hundreds positions. 1 and 1 both are same. So we have to move to its tens place. 6 and 8. Which is greater? 8 is greater, right? So this is the bigger number. So this is the bigger number. So our crocodile's mouth will come on the bigger side, bigger number side. So how to say this one? 165 less than. Here we use less than symbol. 165 less than 184. 1754 and 384. So when compare the number of digits, when comparing two multi-digits numbers, the numbers with a more digit is always larger. Here which is more digit? Here 4 digits. So because ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here ones, tens and hundreds only, right? So this is more digit number. So the number with the more digits is always larger. So here is, this is the larger number. So our symbol will, here we can use greater than symbol. And another one, 787 and 787, because here we have to check ones, tens and hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. Here the hundreds position, please check, compare the hundreds positions numbers. 7 and 7 both are same, so move to tens place. Here also check tens, 8 and 8, this is all, both are same, so again move to ones place. Here it's 7 and 7, because that is also same number, right? So each digits of its positions, different ones, tens and hundreds position numbers are same. That means the numbers are same, so we can use here it's equal to symbol. Here we have to find the biggest and smallest number using a given set of digits. For that we have some basic rules. The first, how to find the biggest number. First we have to arrange each digits in descending order. Descending order. Descending means larger to smallest, largest to smallest, smallest. This is for getting the biggest number. First we have to arrange each digits in the descending order, and for getting the smallest number we have to arrange digits in ascending order. Ascending order, we all know, smallest to largest, smallest to largest, right? So like this we can find the biggest and smallest numbers. Here we can do some examples. Here some digits 3, 1, 4, 6, 9. We have to find the biggest and smallest number. For that, first we have to compare the numbers and we have to arrange in descending and ascending order, right? For getting the biggest number, we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So first we can find the biggest number. Biggest number. For first we have to arrange each digits in descending order. Descending means largest to smallest. Here, which is the largest one? 9 is largest, then small is 6, then 4, 3, 1, right? So we can write like that: 9, 6, 4, 3, 1. This is the biggest number we can write with using these digits. And next we can find the smallest number. Smallest number. What we have to do? First we have to arrange each digits in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. Smallest, first, which was the smallest one? Here it's 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. Opposite of all these, right? 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. These are the biggest and smallest 5 digits number that we can make with using these digits. Another example, 7, 4, 2, 5. So we have to find the biggest and smallest number from these digits. Biggest number, what we will do? We have to arrange the digits in the descending order, right? So how to we have to compare these numbers. Which is the biggest digit in this? Here 7, then 5, 4, 2, right? So we have to write like that: 7, 5, 4, 2. So this is the biggest number, biggest 4-digit number. What if we get these digits? Will you able to solve it? Some of you may think that we will be solving it in the same way as we did it before, by using the ascending and descending method. For getting the biggest number, for finding the biggest number, we have to arrange each digits in descending order. that is correct. We have to do it the same way as we did it before, right? How to find it? Here 8 is the biggest one, then 5, then 3, then 0. So 8, 5, 3, 0. So this is the biggest number. That is correct. So for getting the smallest number, what we have to do? For that we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, right? Here, which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number, then 3, then 5, then 8. Is this correct? No, it is wrong. How we can make the smallest number from these digits?
How can we make
Here, 0 will come in the first position, right? So if we write in the first, 0 does not have any value. For getting the smallest 4-digit number, what we have to do? We have to write 3, 5, 8. But where we have to place 0? 0 we have to place after the first number. First number is here 3. So then we have to place 0 here. 3058. This is the smallest number, smallest 4-digit number. Another example, 58092. So first we have to find the biggest number. For that we have to arrange the digits in descending order from highest to lowest. Which is the highest number from here? These digits. 9 is highest, then 8, then 5, then 2, then 0. So 9, 8, 5, 2, 0. So this is the biggest number. And then the smallest number, first we have to arrange the digits in ascending order, right? Here 0, 2, 5, 8, 9. But 0 will come in the first, right? So in this case, I already discussed that we have to place the 0 in the second after the first number. So without 0, first we have to arrange the numbers 2, 5, 8, 9. But where we have to place the 0? After the first number. So the smallest number is 20589. 20589. After the first number, place 0, then rest of the numbers we can write it. So like this we can find